Hi, this is Mike Shore, and this is a tutorial on how to resize a batch of images using Faststone Photo Resizer. First, you have to decide where you're going to get your pictures from. In this case, I've simply chosen a directory in my Pictures folder on my Windows system, and I'm going to use some On1 samples. On1 is a photographic tool company, makes some really excellent products that I use on a regular basis, but enough of the advertising. Okay, I can add photographs to be done in one of two ways. I can select the images I want to use, and in this case I'm going to choose a couple of different proportioned images, and I can simply drag those onto the photo resizer, and notice they show up here. Or I can select them in the directory and then just click on the Add button. I can also just select Add All, and every image in this directory would be brought over. The next thing we need to decide is which format are we going to convert to. In this case, we all have these are all JPEGs. All we really want to do is resize, but I'm going to go ahead and change format as well. I'm going to create PNGs. Now, if I want to create the images in the exact same folder, I can unselect that, and notice that the files will be saved in the original folder. This can be really dangerous if you left the format the same, so be careful with this one. So I'm going to go ahead and select a folder. I'm actually just going to do this. I'm going to go to my libraries, Pictures, Pictures, On1, and I'm going to create a new folder called Resized. Just so I'll know that the images there are my resized images. Make sure they're now pointed there for my output folder. The last thing I want to do, because all I'm really going after in this case is to resize a bunch of images, is to select Use Advanced Options. And once I do that, I get a button to press there. I'm going to select that. Normally by default it comes up with the resize not selected. I'm going to go ahead and resize, and I'm going to resize based on one side of my image. I'm going to select the long side as being exactly 1024. This will bring me into my consideration for this course, for the GRD 167, of having images on the gallery no larger than 1024 bounding box. Once I've got that set, I simply click OK, and then I click on Convert. Notice I'm going to keep the original date and time attributes, and I'm going to ask before overwrite just to make sure. And notice that my images that I've got selected are quite a bit larger than our bounding box size. So this is why we're going to do a resize in this case. So I click on Convert, and I get a window showing me all the processing that's going on, and all of it is complete. Notice that by doing this, I saved quite a bit of space, and I'll be able to just upload those files now to the gallery. And I'll show that in the next video. Again, this has been Mike Shore from the Web Technologies Graphic Design Department.